everyone. Thank you so much for taking your time to attend this meeting despite of COVID. Today, we will be having our kickstart meeting for our new expansion project. Yes, I know, it is very exciting. Trust me, I feel the same way too. So give yourself a round of applause. Okay, let's start. Since this is our first time meeting between MIR Logistics and ULS Group, I would like to introduce the stakeholders of this project. Here we have our CEO, Mr. David Wallace, our market analyst, James Halpert, warehouse manager, Michael Scott, accountant, Pam Beasley, operations manager, Dwight Shute, and me myself, my name is Aisha Halim, and I am the project manager. Here we have our client, Mrs. Niza Jafar. Thank you so much for joining us today. Okay, now let's move on to the project overview. As we all know, this is one of our initiatives to expand our business globally. This project is very important because all this while we had to decline our customers' requests because we had limited resources. Okay, the main reason why we chose Malaysia is because most of our clients are based in Malaysia and the economic condition in Malaysia is stable despite of COVID. So it is conducive for us to run this type of e-commerce. Project scope and objectives. Okay, the goal of this project is to extend our market share to Malaysia and to have variety of logistic options for our customers. With this project, we are hoping to benefit both of the companies financially. As for the deadline, we actually are expecting to complete this project within 90 days so we can have this project this business up and running by February 2021. Okay, for the SWOT analysis, we actually have figured this before that we need this SWOT analysis in order to expect what might happen as we go on with this project. The strengths of our project is that we are able to offer competitive price as compared to our main competitors. Since we have been running freight forwarding business for a while, we actually have a large customer base focusedly in Malaysia. And because of we are based in the US, this is very beneficially to ULS Group because they don't need to set up another company in the US. Every company must have its weaknesses. So one of our weaknesses is that we are relatively new to the market, especially to the bulky freight forwarding. Secondly is the language barrier. Even though the two companies have language barrier, this is very easy to overcome. As of right now, we have limited workforce. However, we expect to have manpower while we will cover in the next slide. For the opportunities, due to COVID-19, both US and Malaysian government have been offering business loan incentives for business owners. This could actually help both of the companies financially. Having MRI Logistics located in Delaware, customers will be attracted to use our service because there is no sales tax, as this could save them a lot of money. In this global age, a lot of people prefer to buy goods from the US. Therefore, there is an emerging need for people to use our service. However, there are also threats to this business. As business owner do not have to have a lot of money to start this business, it is very easy to enter the market. Consequently, we are expecting to have a lot of competitors. Because of that, we also have to bear with the customer attitude. This kind of business is very time sensitive, especially now that we are going to ship the products using sea freight. So it might take about 45 days, so we have to bear with our customers. So now let's move on to the milestone schedules and deliveries. So the day 1 is when we start a project. By day 15, we are expecting to acquire enough manpower for our warehouse in the US. And we're also expecting to secure a warehouse that have enough space for our products. And we have to buy the needed equipments for this project. By day 30, we are expecting to have fully functioning website. By fully functioning website, we mean by we're having a website where customer can put on their details and everything that they have purchased, and it is easy for us to keep track of their purchases, consolidate their parcels, and then ship them to Malaysia. By day 45, we are expecting to have the market analysis report and the financial report. By having this market analysis report and financial report, we can know where we stand, and then we can also secure a loan if needed. Market analysis report is also important for us to know where we stand in Malaysia. Oops, sorry. Okay, so we know what is like our market share status. By day 60, we are expecting to have team training, especially for the warehouse workers, so that they know what they're gonna have to do once the parcel come in, what they're gonna have to do, how to ship out the parcels. And we also plan to have our warehouse layout so that the business could run smoothly. By day 75, we are going to have soft launching on our website. This is very important so that we know that our website is fully functioning and we know what to expect from our customers. By having the soft launching, we can also have our customers' feedback, and we can also improvise what is needed based on the customer feedback. After the soft launching, we're gonna have to strengthen our marketing strategy. But when people using our website, we could know their location, their geographic, and everything. And from there, we can expect what to do with our marketing team. By day 90, we're gonna have our project launch. This is when we're gonna have to launch our website fully. We're gonna officially launch our website and project. That is all for now. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to my presentation. Do you guys have any question?